Greater than fire. Do you want to escape the 9 to 5? Start a side hustle? Or maybe even build a full-time income from your laptop? Well, in this video, I'm revealing *5 tools that people are using in 2025 to make real money online and guess what? You don't need to be a tech genius, coder, or have a fancy degree. Flying money, these tools do the heavy lifting, you just need to be smart enough to use them. So grab your pen, because one of these could literally change your life. Greater than, and if you stay till the end, I'll show you how people are using tool number 5 to make $500 to $1,000 per week passively. No fluff, just real talk. Rocket Tool 1. Opus Clip turn long videos into viral shorts, 050 to 140. Greater than. First up is Opus Clip *, an AI that turns your long-form videos into viral TikToks and Reels in minutes. You upload a video, it finds the juiciest parts, adds captions, zooms, emojis, everything that hooks attention and boom, you've got viral content. Upward trend. People are using this tool to run YouTube Shorts channels charge clients for content repurposing, and grow fast on social media. Light bulb pro tip: pair this with ChatGPT scripts and you've got a money-making content machine. Briefcase Tool 2. Durable.co AI website builder, 140 to 230. Greater than. Want to start freelancing, affiliate marketing, or a side business? You need a website. And with Durable you can literally create a professional website in 30 seconds. Just type your business idea, like fitness coach or logo designer, and Durable builds the whole site for you. Desktop computer design, copy, SEO, and even a contact form, all done. Now imagine this. You charge $150 to $300 to small businesses to make websites in minutes. Zero coding needed. Fireside hustle unlocked. Studio Microphone Tool 3. 11 Labs AI voice generator, 230 to 320. Greater than. Next is a game changer, 11 Labs. This AI creates ultra-realistic voiceovers that sound human, like really human. This means you can headphones start a faceless YouTube channel. Studio Microphones sell voiceover services on Fiverr. Book narrate audiobooks, sales videos, or TikTok. Some freelancers are making $2,000 plus per month doing this full time. And the best part? You can clone your own voice or use a celebrity-style voice legally. No mic, no studio, just pure AI power. Writing Hand Tool 4. Koala Writer AI blog writer for affiliate sites, 320 to 415. Greater than. Number 4 is for those who want passive income. Koala Writer writes SEO-optimized blog posts that Google actually loves. It's like ChatGPT but on steroids. You can build a niche affiliate blog crank out 30+ articles a month, and add affiliate links to Amazon or ClickBank. Within 3 to 6 months, traffic comes in, and boom, flying money, your site starts earning while you sleep. People are flipping such blogs for $10,000 to $50,000 plus on sites like Flipper. Brain Tool 5. Make.com, Integromat, automate your money, 415 to 530. Greater than. And here's the most underrated goldmine Make.com. It lets you build automated workflows between your favorite apps. Example: someone fills a form on your website, right pointing arrow sends an email, adds them to a CRM, creates an invoice, and sends a WhatsApp alert, all hands-free. People are using it to build receipt automated dropshipping stores, incoming mail, email marketing funnels, office worker virtual assistant businesses, and yes, clients pay up to $1,000 per project for these automations. No code. Just drag and drop. You're literally building money machines. Asterisk, greater than, want a killer strategy. Combine these tools asterisk, use ChatGPT to write a script right pointing arrow use 11 Labs for voice right pointing arrow use Opus Clip for shorts right pointing arrow post on YouTube right pointing arrow use Koala for blog posts right pointing arrow use Durable for your site right pointing arrow automate everything with Make. Now you've got an entire online business asterisk, run by AI. Mind equals blown collision, greater than. If you got value from this, hit like asterisk so more people can see it. And don't forget to asterisk subscribe asterisk because I drop fire tools like these every week. Comment below, asterisk, iMoney, asterisk, asterisk, and I'll send you a free PDF with links and bonus tips. Let's make 2025 the year you go from watching content to owning content. Greater than, thanks for watching, future millionaire. Until next time, stay smart, stay creative, and let AI do the heavy lifting.